Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Stradup and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 13th of June today, Tuesday, and now today's review. Michael Saylor sees Bitcoin as solution for Turkey. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's bullish trend is on the edge of the abyss and what to expect this trading week. And we will start with an article by Paolo Greco and first some opinions and news as usual. And here Paolo provides an opinion by the famous crypto enthusiast, former MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor, who found a new use case for Bitcoin, and according to him, Bitcoin could save the Turkish people from the rapid devaluation of their national currency. And it should be noted that official inflation in Turkey reached 40% in May, but some data suggests it's even higher, exceeding even 100%. However, there have been always been plenty of countries with skyrocketing inflation, and the residents of these countries are obliged to buy Bitcoin to protect themselves from devaluation, according to Michael Saylor. And this rescue plan seems overly simplistic and dangerous, Paolo thinks. Considering Bitcoin's capability to lose 75% of its value within a year, it's hardly stable. And the Turkish central bank backs the lira and can influence its situation, but no one supports Bitcoin. Okay. And now let's get to Bitcoin itself, its technical picture and macroeconomic situation, and the article by Artem Petrenko. The previous trading week was characterized by a complete dominance of sellers for Bitcoin, and the asset's price constantly tested local support levels, but the bulls managed to resist. However, with a decrease in trading activity over the weekend, the cryptocurrency was not spared from a collapse and experienced a bearish breakthrough below the 26,000 level. The dominance of bears continues, and there are all reasons to believe that the price will continue to decline. At the same time, the macro situation continues to improve, and if all positive forecasts are realized, Bitcoin bulls will have an opportunity to regain their positions and continue the upward movement. So what's the fundamental background? The current week promises to be extremely volatile due to a number of key macroeconomic factors. First and foremost, the publication of inflation data and the Federal Reserve meeting are expected. And regarding these events, the market is highly optimistic, which ultimately can work in favor of Bitcoin. Investors and analysts believe that the consumer price index in May will decrease from 4.9 to 4.1%. And BBG's survey also shows that investors are confident that the Fed will pause raising the key interest rate in June, and furthermore, an increasing number of investors are confident that the rate reduction cycle will begin in late summer or early fall this year. Such a scenario is quite realistic, as the main argument of the Federal Reserve, namely the labor market, is starting to show weakness. According to the latest data, the figure reached 260,000 initial jobless claims, exceeding expectations of 240,000. However, a stable decline in inflation rate remains the main target requirement for the Federal Reserve to loosen its grip. As for the events in the crypto market itself, the situation is not as optimistic as on the macro front. The regulatory policies of the Securities and Exchange Commission continue to negatively impact investors' interest in cryptocurrencies. The main news of recent days is that the largest retail trading platform in the United States has delisted Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. All three assets are among the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The situation in the Bitcoin market remains ambiguous. On the one hand, there is low trading activity from buyers, resulting in a decline in the assets market capitalization. On the other hand, active accumulation continues, and CryptoQuant has been recording significant outflows of Bitcoin from centralized exchanges for several consecutive weeks. And the number of unique addresses also continues to grow. And given the panic sentiments within and around the crypto market, this may be associated with funds flowing out of centralized platforms amid the aggressive policies of the Securities and Exchange Commission. As of yesterday, if we look at the chart, the peak of bullish trend for Bitcoin was at the level 31,000, after which the price dropped to the base of the upward trend near the 25,000 level. And over the past 2 months, the asset has lost 18%, and it is on the verge of completely breaking the structure of the uptrend. In the past 8 days, Bitcoin has dipped below 25,500 level 5 times, ultimately leading to a shift in the range of trading activity. The main target for bulls now remains the 24,600, 25,000 range, and a break below it would disrupt the structure of the uptrend. As of yesterday, the Bitcoin weekly chart indicates that bearish targets may be reached. The main technical metrics continue their downward movement, indicating the strength of the downtrend. However, positive macro events in the coming days may disrupt the bears' plans. So, making a conclusion, Artem says that Bitcoin is within a downward trend and is approaching the final breakdown of the structure of the uptrend. However, impulsive price movements due to expected positive macro events may help Bitcoin return to the consolidation range of 26,500, 27,500. At the same time, it's unlikely that this will significantly change the situation in the market. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's 13th of June and Bitcoin opened today at the point 25,938, and now it is trading at the point 26,111. Well, so far the situation hasn't significantly changed. It's still approximately at the same levels. But as we remember, the main macro events are today and tomorrow. So it's probably just frozen before the important macro events and important information. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other in our next review tomorrow. As usual, I wish you a nice day, a profitable trading, and till next time.